Hey everyone, Daniel here. Thought I'd catch you up on some of the cool projects I've been doing. So this right here, this is from a class I took called OpenGL. I took this class after my DirectX class, and both of these are very graphics-oriented classes. So this was the final for that class. And what we got going on here is we have this pyramid right here with the caffeine molecule rotating inside of it. It's also, the pyramid is transparent and textured. You know, you got all those cool sci-fi symbols on them. And the caffeine molecule has some sphere maps on it. They're also doing some specular lighting. If you see the little red dot moving around it, that's the specular at work. So I didn't get as good of a grade as I could have on this final, because the one thing I'm missing is, if you haven't noticed it yet, there's no edges on the pyramid, and that's because we were supposed to do a glass effect for the pyramid, and I couldn't quite get it. I got close. If I had another half hour, I probably could have gotten it, but so yeah, there's that. Now the other part of that class was this right here, which was another part of the final, but we had all month to work on this. So I call this Moogle bowling. I got bowling alleys with Moogles on the ends of it. I'm going to apologize in advance. The screen capture software I use just destroys my frame rate, so the mouse movement is a little weird. So I'm going to point out a couple things going on here. More specular going. If you look at the little white light moving around that thing follows, the green is also specular of the white light. I just made it green for fun. Also got that going there on the Moogles. I'm doing lots of model loading. The trees are models, the Moogles are models. Everything else I had to hand model in code. Texturing. Let's see. Oh yeah, reflection. If you can see it right now, you see the Moogles and the tree being reflected on this surface. Kind of makes it look like it's slick. What we're actually doing is we're rendering it underneath it. And I know you don't see it, like there's this like cutoff right here, but that's using something called stencil test, which gets rid of it so that you only see it on the surface itself. Oh, I completely forgot about this. This was the other thing I did for it. This is a model of Boba Fett's antenna that I took from a full model of Boba Fett, and I just cut the part I needed. And I put a little screen on it. Oh, geez. I put a little screen on it, and what it's doing is it's rendering the scene again, but I can put effects on it. So in this effect, I just turned the lighting off. And one of the interesting things about lighting in video games is it actually makes things darker. So with no lighting, everything's its full brightness. So I'm going to turn that back on. So then this one right here, I've inverted the colors, and I can do that with lighting on and with lighting off, and do that. The last thing I did was wireframe, which was pretty easy. Everything in games is in models, and they're all made up of vertices, and what we do is we connect those vertices with a bunch of lines and form triangles, and then we put images on those triangles. So you know, if you look at the tree, you can see all those. If I can do it just right, yeah, there we go. You see the Moogles and their vertices. So yeah, that was a lot of fun working on it. Really enjoyed doing the stuff in OpenGL. Especially because I struggled a lot at first with the rendering stuff, so it was good to finally get it, you know, finally have a good turn up out of it. So hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to showing you guys some more stuff real soon. See ya.